Now we try to demo how to install configuration under the Ethernet setup. So when you get the gateway, power on, and please plug in the Ethernet cable. After that, please the gateway and the mobile phone must connect in the same Wi-Fi router. Must use this kind of condition. So if you check the two is connect with the same Wi-Fi router, choose the app, enable app, and touch the aid camera. He will scan the same router to show a hot device in the same router. Okay, this one will be this one, and touch it, key in the password. At this moment, password will be admin ADMIN, and enter. That will finish all the setup and gateway installation.